Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard. Today, I'll be reading you a poem called Our Uniqueness and Power from the book 55 Poetic Cues, written by Danny Martin Girard. Our uniqueness and power. Looking outside ourselves for confirmation to success is seeking faith in the wrong places. For when we are aware of our uniqueness and power, we don't seek outside ourselves for a lie. Power is from within, not in another's unsuccessful attempt to thrive. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. I believe this. I believe if you do seek within, that's when you find your true calling. Dig deep, follow your heart. Whatever makes you feel really good down deep inside. And work doesn't feel like work when you're doing something that you actually love. I believe when you seek outside, that's the ego trying to do something that somebody else did. And you fight through things and somehow you rationalize that it's okay. But really, you're miserable. You'll always be chasing something if you follow the ego, I believe. I believe you got to dig deep, find out what that is that makes you really love life and love what you're doing. Follow that. You don't have to follow things that make you miserable, I believe. I believe if you follow love, you'll always be happy. Thank you so much for listening. Have a beautiful day.